Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can change your player card. As you can see, my one is this, and I want to change like the player card. You are going to go to collection, player cards, and here you can change it, but these are the only ones that I own since I don't have a lot of agents unlocked. So for instance, I want to equip this Sage card. I'm just going to equip card, and then when I go back, as you can see, the card has changed. And then that is pretty much how you can change your player card in Valorant. I do hope this tutorial was helpful, even though it was super simple and quick. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!